Sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. We don't have to engage in grand heroic actions to participate in change. Small acts, when multiplied with millions of people, can transform the world.
Extending a very pleasant morning to the Honorable President of IPS Academy, respected Principal, all the dignitaries, esteemed faculty members, and my dear friends. I, Anuj Lad, with my co-host,
Mansi Malakar.
extend a gracious welcome to each of you on this scholarly and highly anticipated international conference on emerging techno-economic development for sustainable environment, where brilliant minds from corners of India to across the globe gather to exchange ideas, inspire each other, and shape the future.
We are truly dignified and privileged to have Professor Stephen Slosser sir and Dr. Kailash Vasivar sir with us. Your esteemed presence has indeed glorified the event and added a vibrancy to the international conference.
As we embark on the incredible journey of knowledge, innovation, and collaboration, let us take a moment to adore and venerate the goddess of knowledge, Ma Saraswati.
Now I request all the dignitaries present to proceed for lamp lighting.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
We are deeply grateful for the presence of our distinguished dignitaries. Now I request Dr. Rajesh Kumar Kaushal sir to felicitate Professor Stephen Slosser sir with a sapling. Now I request all the dignitaries present to have seats on the dais.
We are deeply grateful for the presence of our distinguished guest. Now I request Dr. Rajesh Kumar Kaushal sir to felicitate Professor Stephen Slosser sir with a sapling.
May I now request Dean Academics Shri A.G. Kothari sir to kindly felicitate Shri Kailash Vasivar sir with a sapling. Thank you so much, sir. Sustainable development within the realm of chemical engineering involves applying principles and practices that minimize environmental impact while meeting societal needs. Chemical engineers play a crucial role in developing eco friendly processes and products that minimize or eliminate the use and generation of hazardous waste.
Designing systems for efficient production of biofuels, solar cells, hydrogen energy, and other renewable energies.
Creating technologies to minimize waste generation, enhance recycling process, and optimize resource utilization.
Developing efficient and sustainable methods for purifying water resources.
We, chemical engineers, contribute by innovating cleaner process, reducing energy consumption, optimizing raw material usage to the in various industries, ultimately contributing to the goals of sustainable development.
As we all are aware of the fact that as the demand for natural resources soar and competition intensifies in emerging economies due to urbanization and industrialization, the need for sustainable practices has never been more critical. In this response to this pressing challenge, IPS Academy, Institute of Engineering and Science, Department of Chemical Engineering is organizing this international conference.
Department of Chemical Engineering visions to achieve national recognition through quality education, applied research, and professional service of our students. To provide quality engineering education and environment to the students, to become value driven professionals capable of undertaking lifelong services and provide services to chemicals and associated industries.
So, without any further ado, let us begin the convention where minds will meet, ideas will collide, and solutions will be born.
To inaugurate this remarkable convention, I request convener of the international conference, Dr. Rajesh Kumar Kaushal sir, to brief about the conference.
A very warm good morning to all. On behalf of IPS Academy, Institute of Engineering and Science, Department of Chemical Engineering, I, Professor Rajesh Kumar Kaushal, welcome all the dignitaries coming from various parts of the country in this August gathering of our first international conference on emerging techno-economic development for sustainable environment to be held during 12th and 13th January of 2024. Sustainable development is the pathway to the future we want for all. It offers a framework to generate economic growth, achieve social justice, exercise environmental stewardship, and strengthen governance. In response to this pressing challenge, we are proud to announce the first international conference organized by the esteemed Institute of Central India. This event serves as a global forum where the world of research and industry coverage to explore the transformative power of chemical engineering technology advancements in achieving sustainable development. The conference aims to facilitate profound discussion on green chemistry, nanotechnology, green energy, and other cutting-edge solutions that will shape the future of our societies. The international conference provides a forum for academia, research scholars, and industry persons come together to shape practical solutions to achieve the goals of sustainable development. The main objective of this conference is to disseminate the knowledge about the latest technology and industrial practices to overcome the ever increasing challenge of environmental pollution and climate change. The parallel sessions include over 30 oral and poster presentations of researchers from across the country presenting their work on topics ranging from climate change to environmental pollution and recent advancement, all focused on solution to achieve the sustainable development goals. To sum it up, sustainable development continuously seeks to achieve social and economic progress in ways which will not exhaust the earth's finite natural resources. Thus, we must all develop ways to meet these needs so that our future generations can inherit a healthier and greener planet. Once again, I welcome you all and hope this conference will be helpful to serve the society in a better way. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Dean Academics, Dr. A.G. Kothari, sir, to grace us with his words.
Good morning, everybody. Actually, I take this opportunity to thank first the organizers of this conference, international conference, and I congratulate them for making this attempt. As a matter of fact, I don't know whether I am correct or not. This conference has been arranged as a part of our celebration towards Silver Jubilee of IES. Am I right, sir? Actually, I was just now our convener has said that they have received 51 papers, out of which only 30 has been selected. That shows the quality of the paper that they must have received it, and I am very delighted to know about it. I wish all the best for the organizers and hope this platform will be utilized by the researchers to interact with them, and maybe some solution may come out of it. Thank you very much for your patient interaction.
Thank you so much, sir. We are truly honored and delighted to have Professor Stephen Schlosser, sir, as our chief guest and Dr. Kailash Vasevar, sir, as the guest of honor.
As we dive deeper into the discussion about preserving planet and ensuring a sustainable future, it is indeed a privilege to introduce our esteemed guest, Dr. Kailash Vasevar, sir. Sir is presently a professor at Vishveshwarya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, and has been among the world's top 2% scientists in chemical engineering. Sir, we would be highly grateful if you provide us your valuable knowledge.
Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Stephen. This fortunate that we are with him, and is really the grateful to the institute that they arrange his visit for this conference. Then Honorable Kothari sir, he was my colleague also at VNIT and always have his blessings with us for growth of our professional growth. Then head of the department, Professor Kaushal sir, Professor Jadhav, Dr. Kanti Kumar, and other faculty members from this institute and other institute. And of course, very important is the dear students. So very good morning for this Indore. And I just read the one news for that. I think Indore is again the best city in cleanliness. So I think that is best part that on that occasion you have arranged this conference. So I congratulate IES, IPS, Indore and Madhya Pradesh and of course our India for this good achievement. So of course you will listen my talk after this one. I just say the few words, and the title is here, conference is arranged as that Emerging Techno-Economic Development for Sustainable Environment. So when you are talking about sustainable, what do you think? In everywhere now, this is a kind of a buzzword which is used in the say finance also, IT also, everywhere. Sustainable code, sustainable finance management, sustainable project, sustainable, what does it mean exactly? Are we thinking about the sustainable, whatever activities we are performing in our day-to-day life? So really, if we want that self-sustained India, we have to think from ourselves that from morning itself to till when we are going for sleeping or going to bed, the activities are sustainable or not. It is towards that or not. सादी सादी सिंपल सी बात होती है, कचरा फेंकने से शुरू कर सकते हैं, सेग्रीगेशन से शुरू कर सकते हैं. सोल्यूशन शुड बी ऑलवेज एट द सोर्स. ये बहुत कम होता है हमारे इंडिया में. European countries, Western countries में they always try the solution at the source. क्योंकि अगर हम solution source पे ही निकाल देते तो आगे बढ़ेगा ही नहीं. Otherwise, you have the list of the problems and list of the solutions you have to find out for that one. So from the day one itself, morning में आप देखिए कि आपकी activity में sustainability आ रही है क्या. Then it start within. But of course, as we are the professional, maybe the chemical engineer, other professionals, maybe other engineers, management side, we think in some different perceptions towards the development of the sustainable one. So finally, it is just say that there should not be any kind of negative impact on the earth. That is a typical definition of the sustainability. So whatever activities we are performing should not have any kind of the negative impact on that one. So it may be that you are handling your student, you are talking with your colleague or some person in market or somewhere. Negative impact, that means if you are talking in some bad way, definitely there will be the negative impact. That will also count in somewhere. क्योंकि वो गुस्सा हो जाएगा, कुछ चिढ़ जाएगा, जाके किसी को ठोक देगा, कचरा खोएगा, तोड़ेगा. So you can think in that way also. वो बोलते हैं कि एक पॉइंट को अगर लेके हम कितने विंग्स उसको बना सकते हैं, ये हमारे ऊपर है. लेकिन वो विंग को ही काट के रखना है पहले से, तो वो हमारे सोर्स पे ही हमें करना पड़ेगा. सो फाइनली आई से दैट वी हैव टू लुक फॉरवर्ड द स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आवर बिहेवियर, फ्रॉम आवर लिविंग एंड ऑल्सो आवर वर्किंग. सो दैट विल डेफिनेटली give the some good output and will make the India sustainable. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We, the students of IPS Academy, are truly delighted to have an international personality to guide us. I request Professor Stephen Slosser, sir, to grace us with his words.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like at the beginning express my thanks to organizers, to IPS Academy, to Professor Kaushal for inviting me to this conference. As I learned, this is the first conference organized by Institute of Chemical Engineering. This year, we organized our conference on chemical engineering for the 50th times. So that is 50th conference will be organized this year. So this is nice occasion to transfer your message. If you start to organize conferences, continue in that way, that try to have at every your conference special session on some hot topic. So to have general papers and some special session on some special topic. That was very good to attract experts in that area and exchange ideas. You know, your country is such big that it is continent, and so you have big opportunity to attract specialists from your country in very specific area and to discuss it very deeply. And this contact will result in progress in your institute. So that is very important, keep this. If you will try gradually to attract attention from international sources, that is very interesting, but you can attract it only by having some specific topic, not very general, because that is not so attractive for some specialists only to speak some many various topics. So I wish that this conference will continue in a successful way, and as Professor Vasilov told, in a sustainable way. It's all keeping experts together and attracting them to come to Indore. That can be done only according good organization. I hope you will continue in that. So I wish success to this conference and very good research results in your own groups. Thank you very much.
to express a heartfelt appreciation to the individuals who have contributed so much in the field of academics and sustainability. It is the time to present small token of gratitude to these remarkable individuals. Now, I request Dr. Rajesh Kumar Kaushal sir to present memento to Professor Stephen Schlosser sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now I request Dr. Abhinesh Kumar Prajapati sir to present memento to Dr. Kailas Vasevar sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now, we will head towards the commencement of conference proceeding from our esteemed guest. These proceedings encapsulate the culmination of months, if not years, of research, collaboration, and innovation. The proceedings being launched today are not merely a compilation of abstracts, they represent the forefront of knowledge, ideas, and breakthroughs. Each paper is a testament to the dedication and hard work of researchers striving to push the boundaries of human understanding.
Throughout these proceedings, you will find a rich tapestry of research findings, diverse perspectives, and innovative solutions, addressing some of the most pressing challenges in our field, from theoretical exploration to practical application. This paper reflects the depth and breadth of our collective intellectual pursuit. Now, I request all the dignitaries present on the dais for the commencement of the proceeding. Thank you so much, sir.
Now, I request co-convener of the workshop, International Conference, Dr. Kanti Kumar Athankar sir for vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. I feel honored and privileged to get this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special occasion. I deeply convey regards and heartily thanks to our honorable guests, Professor Vasevar sir and Professor Schlosser sir, and delegates from SGGS Nanded, Professor Jadhav sir, Professor Vahid Deshmukh sir, Dr. Ashwini Kumar Rathore sir from HBTI Kanpur. I would like to thank Honorable Chairman and President Architect Achal Kumar Chaudhary sir and IPS Academy Management for obtaining the necessary administrative approval for organizing the event in our campus. I am also thankful to our principal, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary. Ma'am, she always motivate us and inspire us to organizing this conference. I am thankful to our Dean Academics and Management nominee, Dr. Kothari sir, and all the head of the departments, deans, and media partners. I am very much thankful to all the organizing committee members. Actually, the words are not enough to make to thanks their constant guidance and support to shape the conference. They support in all possible manners to organize this big event. My sincere thanks to e-learning department members for their constant supports. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight because the wheel start rolling month in advance. We are fortunate enough to have to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated students, committee and volunteers. At the end, I would like to take this opportunity to convey my sincere regards to the convener of this conference, Dr. Kaushal sir. We are fortunate enough because who joined hand to organize this conference, whose seed embedded in a very simple discussion. So if time is money, then today you spent millions for us. So thank you to all of you making this conference successful one. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request all the dignitaries to stand up for the invocation of national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now I request all the dignitaries present on the dais to take their seats on the front.